Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first AI app that turns your text prompts into a fully functional world-class website with done-for-you complete content, like headlines, product descriptions, blog posts, articles, gallery, client testimonials, contact forms, opt-in pages, AI images, videos, and so much more in any niche and language in under 60 seconds. And the best part? It comes with a built-in website client finder that automatically connects you with high-paying clients, ready to pay you $500 to $1,000 per website, all on autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, the artificial intelligence and AI website industry has taken over the world by storm, dominating every corner of the online world. And in this new digital era, people are now 42 times more glued to their phones and laptops, surfing through the internet, and browsing different websites from fitness and fashion to news, gaming, blogging, and e-commerce, and buying products from multiple websites like there's no tomorrow. Hence, the demand for websites keeps increasing with no signs of slowing down. And to your surprise, the website industry is not just thriving, it's exploding in growth like never before. Here are some facts. The website industry is worth $478 billion in Jan 2024 and is projected to reach $660 billion by 2027. More than 560,000 websites are created daily. Currently, there are more than 1.14 billion websites in the world, and an average internet user spends 97% of the screen time on browsing websites. Website industry covers 97% of the entire internet revenue. 82% customers check a business website before making a purchase decision. And more than 64% customers don't trust a business that does not have an engaging website with anti-threat protection. And an average website seller on Fiverr earns at least $51,000 per website. Hence, there is no doubt why creating and selling done-for-you AI websites is the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the website industry with built-in client finder, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, the world of website creation with built-in client finder is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Creating websites from scratch requires lots of coding, HTML, and technical knowledge. And buying expensive monthly subscriptions of third-party platforms like ClickFunnels, Wix, and Leadpages could easily cost $397 per month. And even hiring expensive website developers and freelancers could easily cost you thousands of dollars, leaving your wallet empty. But what if there was a better way, where you can easily create, customize, and sell fully functional world-class websites in any niche and language without spending a single dime? Introducing SiteRobot AI, the world's first AI app that turns your text prompts into a fully functional world-class website with done-for-you complete content in any niche and language in under 60 seconds. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. It comes with a built-in website client finder that automatically connects you with high-paying clients, ready to pay you $500 to $1,000 per website, all on autopilot. Finally, this groundbreaking 2024 AI lets you create stunning AI websites using your text prompts. No writing, designing, or coding required. Instantly transform your ideas, keywords, or prompts into world-class websites in under 60 seconds. Effortlessly build world-class websites in endless niches and in any language you desire. Build any kind of website, funnels, and pages you want. Built-in website client finder automatically finds you high-paying clients and earns you $500 to $1,000 per website. Easily design and edit your websites with our built-in drag-and-drop website editor with a smart save feature. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. Host unlimited websites with unlimited bandwidth on our ultra-blazing fast servers with 100% uptime guarantee. Pick from over 10,000 plus jaw-dropping AI website templates across various categories, all done for you. Choose from 250 plus stylish fonts and text styles to offer your audience an unparalleled visual experience. Select your perfect fit from done-for-you, stunning theme templates. One-click AI content generation. Instantly create and add jaw-dropping AI-generated images, videos, music, and more to your websites. Built-in AI copywriter. Generate high-converting sales copies, blog posts, and articles for your websites, and skyrocket your traffic and sales instantly. Built-in AI stock library lets you search and add your desired content in the blink of an eye. Add mind-blowing animations on your website and make them 100 times more engaging to your customers. Increase your website loading time by 10x with our built-in one-click image and video optimization tool. Collect unlimited leads with mind-blowing forms and pop-ups. Rank your websites on the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Search results with advanced AI-driven SEO tools. Built-in automatic device responsiveness. This ensures the website looks good on various devices, desktops, tablets, smartphones. Built-in analytics. Tool lets you track the website performance. Easy integrate the website with social media platforms for easy sharing and promotion. Built-in free SSL certificate integration for secure data transmission. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. And the best part? You can get all this done in under 60 seconds just with your text command prompts. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you say goodbye to the hassle of creating websites on your own. Say goodbye to the expensive website developers, coders, and freelancers. And finally, stop spending your hard-earned money on useless third-party website builders apps. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary 2024 AI website, builder and client finder app, while driving automated sales and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, SiteRobot AI is a brand new game-changing AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Give text prompt. Just tell AI what you want, and it will start creating stunning websites with DFY content and as per your style and demand. Step 2. Customize. Effortlessly customize the website with your text commands or with drag and drop. Website builder, no coding required. X, and this doesn't get any better than this. My friend, after all. Step 3. Sell and profit. Automatically find website clients and create and sell them stunning websites in their preferred niche and language, and easily bank $500 to $1,000 on complete autopilot. Is there anything else out there that lets you create, customize, and launch your dream websites with built-in client finder in any niche and language in under 60 seconds? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to SiteRobot AI, just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then, do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision. Anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below. To get a copy of SiteRobot AI at the lowest one-time price, we'll see you inside.